This video provides a review of some of the common terms in the Passport to Advanced Math questions on the SAT. So I would encourage you to hit pause and give these a try. These are in the form of matching, because many times simply recognizing these terms will be very helpful. So if you hit pause, give it a try, and then on the next slide, I will review them. Okay, so for the first one, we have the quadratic formula, which is choice A, and we'll talk more about those variables in one of the other problems. For number 2, that is the discriminant, which if you look at the quadratic formula, that is the portion underneath the square root, b squared minus 4ac. Number 3, we have f, which is the zeros, the x values that make an equation equal to 0, which would also be known as the x-intercepts. And anytime a graph or a line crosses the x-axis at the x-intercept, that means the y value is 0. So the x values that make the equation equal to 0, or the y value is 0. For number 4, we have I, which is a factor, a positive integer that can be evenly divided into a number without a remainder. So 6 is a factor of 24 because it divides evenly into 24. For number 5, we have b, the standard form of a quadratic. So y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. That's where you get your a, b, and c values for the quadratic formula from number 1, and the discriminant for number 2. For number 6, we have d, which is the vertex form of a quadratic. Y equals a parentheses x minus h close parentheses squared plus k, where hk, written as an ordered pair, h comma k, would be the vertex. For number 7, we have c, which is the axis of symmetry. X equals negative b over 2a. The axis of symmetry is the vertical line, which is why it's represented with x equals. That basically cuts your parabola in half. So the graph of your quadratic, the parabola, that can be split in 2 parts evenly, is the axis of symmetry. And for number 8, we have g, function notation. We would read that as f of x represents the output of a function. And for number 9, we have e, exponent form. X to the power of a over b converts to radical form, which is you would say the b root of x to the power of a. Okay, so just a quick overview of some of those common terms, concepts that you will see in the Passport to Advanced Math questions. Please look for some other sections that I have in the links below.